Continuing with word flow in sentences, let's look at tip 3. Here we can link two vowel sounds together. We sometimes link vowels together with either a small y or a small w sound, depending on the vowels. If we have the vowel E, also I, or even A, actually I and A end with a small E. So it's really the E sound that's important. If we have this vowel and we're linking it to the next vowel sound, we tend to create a small y sound when we do this. And this happens inside words and also between words. Let's practice with just a few examples. Audio, trial, aquarium, reaction, to be on time. Now, if we have an O or an oo sound, and we're connecting to the vowel that comes next, here it's natural for Americans to place a small W sound because we're already using our lips, and so this is natural. O-wa, oo-wa. Let's practice with a few words. Going, usual, fluid, do anything. Okay, those are the basic rules on linking vowel sounds within words and from one word to the next.